Hey guys, it's Hayley LeBlanc
and Hayley LeBlanc, and today we're playing Block of Questions
on etlive. Yeah!
Ooh. Annie, be careful.
It's already falling.
Can I,
Alright, if I could make a bake-off challenge to my advantage, what would I choose? That's a good one. I'd probably take an ingredient from Hayley. Like any ingredient. Maybe like sugar. And just like take that away and see how it comes out from there. So that's my new midway hand. This is literally gonna
Why
fall
did I
first.
pick that one?
Yeah, why did you do that?
I did it. Besides bacon, where are you most competitive?
Everything.
Everything. If we're playing like basketball, I get
I win, though.
really competitive.
I win.
What?
Nothing. Does this have a question? That was so good. Wow. Favorite song? I really like Dancing with a Stranger.
Dancing with a stranger.
Good one.
Okay,
I shouldn't have done this one. It's like leaning. But it's
I am amazing.
you
One
do it every time.
challenge I want to redo. Ooh, this is a good question.
You're gonna knock it over.
This is a good question. Here, I'll put this on top.
You shouldn't put it over there.
No. The donut.
You're going to
The
knock
donuts
it
I would
over.
like to redo. For the challenge, they were like switch
Yeah, for midway
places.
mayhem,
And you
you.
would probably redo that one.
I redid all your donuts, so I already redid that.
I can't do anything.
Who taught you how to cook? Definitely not my mom, that's for sure.
I mean, probably Nani.
My grandma. It's probably our grandma. Not just mine, hers too.
Technically.
This is gonna fall. This is gonna fall.
It's good, it's okay.
Oh, it's not. It's gonna fall. Ah!
Okay.
That could have been bad.
Okay, good. I'm literally amazing.
Not just amazing, literally amazing.
What is your biggest fear? Heights.
And hippopotamus. They are so territorial. They've got, like, they will impale you. I had a dream about a hippopotamus, and it was very scary.
I had a dream about a potato.
This gives me so much anxiety. Here we go. Ah.
Why am I amazing at it? Why should people watch Annie versus Hayley? Because it's great.
Anything else on that subject? Because I feel like you just said it was great.
No, it's funny and you should watch it because it's amazing. And Annie's in it.
If you don't only just want to like see us, I mean, you might, but like if you want to see a little bit more, we have special guest judges who come in every episode. So
Go and watch
go
it.
and watch it on Nickelodeon's YouTube channel. I hate this.
How? It's like...
You're going to shake the table. Let me put this on and then it can be your turn. I'm so nervous.
Annie, just do it!
Because I don't want to put another one on.
Yeah!
Go.
Annie, how?
Annie,
I got a question. Who is your favorite chicken girl's ship? And he's like the Titanic.
There's a bowl. Hamilton and Quinn.
Oh, that's a good one.
I like Ellie and Henry.
Oh!
Be sure to go check out Nickelodeon's YouTube channel to see Annie versus Hayley. First episode is actually out right now, so you want to go watch that, and other episodes will be out on Saturdays. So, bye guys, see you next time.